How to remove phone number from YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to remove phone number from YouTube channel. So in order to remove phone number from YouTube channel basically means removing your phone number from a Google account or removing your YouTube account from Google. In order to remove your phone number, first thing first, you need to open up your YouTube app and make sure that you're logged into your once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side and tap on the gear icon. Once you do that, go to account. As soon as you tap the account button, it's going to show you a list of accounts that's actually logged into your device. So you just go ahead and tap the manage account button. After that, you can just go ahead and select your Google account and tap the Google account button. So while you're on this page, you need to go to personal info. Here you need to scroll down a bit, and under contact info you can see your email and then a phone number. So for the phone number, if you want to remove it, then tap the phone number, and as you can see that it's currently verified. It is also verified, so tap the arrow icon once again, and in order to remove it, tap the bin icon from the top, and as soon as you do that, there will be a confirmation stating that you want to actually remove the phone number. And if you're sure about it, then tap the remove button, and then you've successfully removed your phone number from your YouTube channel. So in this way you can remove your phone number from YouTube channel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.